Hello guys, my name is Fabian. Thank you for watching. In this series I'm going to build my own crawler track. In previous videos I've shown you the area where I'm going to build the crawler track. And today I'm going to build like a bridge thing, but it will not be a straight bridge, it will have some obstacles in it. So yeah, thank you for watching and let's go on with it. So So I found this old board. I already cut a piece off, and yeah. So this is one piece I've cut off, but this will be the support of the bridge itself. So let's cut another one because we need two rails, and then I will mount some boards onto them. And it will not be straight, it will be one on top and one on the bottom, so it will vary from the position where I will place the boards. But let's make another one of these, and then we're going to do the rest. Two pieces of wood here, so this will be the foundation of the bridge I'm going to build. The next thing is to make some small cross boards. That will be the main support of the bridge itself. So let's crack on with it. I've got some old wooden boards over here. I will cut them to size that so there will be some strips. I think I will cut them in a width of 30 centimeters, so the whole bridge will be 30 centimeters wide. Yeah, so let's continue with the next step. So I've got all the boards I need. Now I'm going to resize them because they're a little bit too long now. I'm going to cut them in pieces of I think 30 centimeters. So yeah, let's do the whole pile and let's see what happened then. So I've got all the wood. I'm not sure if it is enough, but yeah, we will see. Otherwise I will cut some more. So these are all pieces of 30 centimeters wide. And I'm going to mount them on top and beneath the two main boards. So one is going to sit over here and another one is going to sit like this. And doing this will create a more difficult bridge to cross, so it's a better obstacle to drive on. So let's continue. So guys, the bridge is completed. This is what I've created. So it's it's a tricky part. So you will have some straight areas, but you will have to climb some stairs. Let's call it stairs. And yeah, I think it's a good addition to the crawler course. So I'm not sure. So we're back on the crawler course. The plan was to place the bridge I've created, but there's a bit of a problem, which I will show you. Just a moment. I will turn the camera. So here's the bridge, and the plan was just so when you were when you have crossed the bumpy board, then you should go around that tree, and then I was planning to place this ladder or this bridge from here so you could enter this big boulder. But there's a slight problem. When I place the bridge over here, the gap between the bridge and the bumpy board isn't wide enough to fit your truck. Only maybe a smaller truck can fit, but my Cross RC GT4 won't fit. So what I am going to do, I'm going to make a small change to the bridge. I will do it off camera. So what I did, I just cut it in half, and I created a little bow into it. So with the bow mounted, it gives me a lot more ground clearance than when it is in one piece. So the plan is, if you're driving from the bumpy board, you go around the tree, and then I have to clear all this area, and there's a very big branch over here, but yeah, never mind. Then you can enter here, so you have to crawl onto the bridge and then onto this rock. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and thumbs up to the video. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Alright, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.